Are you interested in a way to get to hot niches before anyone else? Well, then this is the show for you. I have two things I'm going to talk about today. One is kind of ways to brainstorm and niches that you can look at right now. And then also, I have an offer that I'm going to be talking about. Actually, a hot niche that actually I publish books in, and they're already getting sales. And we'll talk about that. But hey, everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I am here on Amazon's page so you can see talking about hot niches and ideas for that. So I wanted to give you this really good idea, what I call mashups. So what the mashups are, smash ups I've heard, but I like mashups better, is taking like concepts and putting them together, like two hot types of books, and combining them together. So one of the ones I was actually looking at, like hot books on Amazon and things like that, and I found let's see if I can go down here, there's like just farting bunny books. They're really like at 5,000. There was one at 1,000, and why I kind of got that as a funny niche, but fart books are really exciting. Like kids love those sort of things, right? So like what I mean by a mashup is coming up with something that is hot. So you come up with the overall topic. Farting books, kids find funny. I don't get it, but I'm not a kid any longer, so they just find it funny. And then you mash it up with something. And so I started looking at seasonal appropriate. So Easter's coming up, right? Yeah, look, Sunny the Farting Bunny, right? It even rhymes. Book of Bunny Farts. Okay, so what they've done is they've taken Easter and something that's appropriate or associated with Easter, bunnies, and then made it into like bunny fart books. And if you look, there's all sorts of things. There's like farting leprechauns. There's farting Valentine's Day. If you look up here, like just going through farting snowmen, like just taking something that's super popular and mashing it up with another topic. So going through that, what I was doing was I was just going through the bestsellers list. So if you go on Amazon and just look up the different bestseller list, and I wanted to give you ideas. So could you do, farting riddles? You don't have to do farting, but like here's a riddle book. What could you do with riddles that's popular? Easter riddles, maybe, or let's see, what's coming up is also St. Patrick's Day is coming up soon. So St. Patrick's riddles, or, summer riddles, or just, you want to think a little bit out there, but come up with something that is a hot topic, like riddles. This is number 5303. It's difficult riddles for smart kids. Okay, so difficult riddles for kids. That is something that's kind of popular. And then you mix it with something else. Maybe it's a difficult riddle or challenging riddle coloring book, right? Coloring books are hot. So can you do a riddle book and a coloring book? Can you combine those two together? Mashups, right? Let's see what else. I think I was going down here. Here's one. Easter word search, right? I love word searches. If you have a good word search program, there's so many fun things that you can do with word search programs and create a lot of different types of books that are definitely mashups. Easter. I like to do a lot of public domain word searches because I know the public domain stuff, I'm never going to get in trouble because it's public domain, and it's a word search, so it's a totally new take on public domain. You can use public domain if you're going to change it into something completely different, and using text from public domain and using those words, those sentences to make a word search is definitely a different take on public domain, so completely legal. Let's see, I was looking through crafts. So number 51, I thought this was such a fabulous idea. This it's called Tubby Nugget's Terrible Book. Comics Compliments to Cheer Somebody. Okay, so this is a cute idea. It's like, what I looked at it, it's 1,300 in the bookstore, so super low in the bookstore, but it's like kids can cut out and tear out notes for to give compliments. So it's kind of a play on giving kids something physically active to do, the cutting and tearing, and then doing something kind, that whole kindness theme. So the idea of mixing something terrible, like that the kids can active, I guess, that they can cut out, or the idea of compliments and then mixing it with something else, like a coloring book. Maybe you take and make a compliment coloring book. right? Something like that they can use. Here was one, an Easter joke book, right? Joke books are popular, the theme of Easter. But the idea is there is no limit on the ability to do this, taking two popular niches and mixing it together, mashups, right, in a really interesting and unique way. So I just honestly started going through the best sellers and seeing like what is out there, what's a topic that I could make something. And I really did like this idea of this terrible book because I could see so many things that you could mash that up with. You can use coloring books, it can be an activity book, the whole kindness, compliments, you can mix it with all the different days that are like share something with a friend day. There's a ton of different days if you look out there and make something like that for kids. Okay, so what I did want to share with you, and I have an affiliate link for this, it is Michelle Brubaker has just come up with her Hot Book Niches, Course 3. I've done 1, 2, and 3. I'll put all 3 courses of the affiliate links in the show notes. But this one's really fun because you can see that she's merging a 297 BSR book with one, let's see, move me, 474. I've actually created one of these. I put it out there. It's already starting to sell, so that's pretty cool. You want to definitely check out her course. It's a very inexpensive course. It gives you a great idea of a mashup that you can use, but you can always, like I said, if money is an option or you're worried about that, look and spend time looking through these bestsellers and find some popular topic that you can mash up with another popular topic and make it interesting and fun. Obviously, I saw some when I was going through like Taylor Swift, like riddle books. Stay away from anything that would be definitely on the end of copyright or something famous, right? That is something you should completely stay away from. But you can definitely do a lot of other things. Oh, here was the Taylor Swift facts. I would stay away from that. Don't even go there. There's so many ways to get into trouble. Mash up something that is a little bit more non-specific, like Easter riddles, right? Easter, that's an open topic. Riddles, open topic. Don't mash up things that are going to get you into trouble. All right, so I just want to share this idea with you to really get you thinking about taking hot niches and squishing them together to make something unique and different, and get your product out there first, or maybe you find something that's kind of similar and see what you can come up with to make your own best-selling book. And don't forget to check out my hot book niche link. Actually, check out all 3, course 1, 2, and 3. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I would love that. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel back up there, get you guys weekly or twice a week videos. So please help support me. Thanks. Bye.